Stop throwing money away on frozen snacks. I've got the ultimate air fryer hack that makes a perfect snack pocket in under 3 minutes. This is your new favorite quick lunch. All you need are 3 things: your favorite sliced bread, a little butter, and whatever filling you want. We're making a simple ham and cheese pocket today. Lay 2 slices of bread flat. The secret is to trim off the crust. It makes sealing easier. Put a slice of ham and some cheese in the center of one slice. Don't overfill. Now, place a second slice right on top. Use a fork to carefully press and crimp all the edges closed. This is crucial to keep the cheese from leaking out while it cooks. Brush the top with a little melted butter for that perfect golden color. Now, pop it right into your air fryer at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Cook for just 3 to 4 minutes, flipping halfway. Look at that! Golden, crispy, and ready. Carefully slice it open and get that amazing cheese pull shot. If you needed a reason to use your air fryer, this is it. Hit subscribe for more 3-minute recipes and let me know your favorite pocket filling.